Welcome to Meet Charles Show. Meet Charles Show na wohwe ya bedru Worcester bonten so. Yene etitru mo Worcester ebedi nkomo. Lady Palmas wa hase we very popular Worcester. Eti ono aka sabato yenkomo so boboni din na who she is with Worcester no anadwuma wo ye bi anababi owo. She may decide to include them. Na if you to adwuma so.
Yo, da sini watifo. Mo hwe me wiase fo nyinara. Ye frɛ me Lady Palmas ba ko pe. Ebi anka ho biom. Ubehu Palmas na we kuku bata ho ne atworo no.
Sure.
Me te Worcester, Massachusetts. But see me was Shrewsbury.
Yeah, enti baby hotel no dey to Jano. You been komo or a lot of exposure until no say you tap into her wisdom na obisunya bisunya. Yen hwa abrochira setena ete say de na ma abrochira ye nika de na ma abrochira to do because we dey Kenya nka besa ko echi kakra.
Me da say ne we asembisa ne we tifo ayetiem abrochira tena ne de off and on de enye de that but advantages which is especially America hana me won't hana minim.
Okay.
Yeah, opportunities be brave ha. I have so at the same time which is one sorry didi and now to our bells. Na ejuma so de bi wa ha. Entisa other countries say bi wa ha niema bi ade unya no to say de woti ukro mu Ghana but at the same time so no a yara. Na be na he mititi bibi Ghana say bibi they fix the country which is to my opinion no menti as a reason tia me menya politics
into what from Ghana be mo ka fix the country.
That's right.
Be mo so ka fix the country.
Me share YouTube ne some programs right. Me nim reason tia so mo ka fix the country because young kasa yen fix ye hunwe.
Bibi me nya fix ne hunwe.
No, not at all because nipa da seni say yen ti ha na wo bre wo nua bi our friend sister brother bia me ho kire me mane me ana me wo ya de bi wo bre mo jani wo gina na so 8 hours e ma be se bi ya juma 16 hours e bi ya 12 hours minimum ya 8 hours na wo be bro ho discover send obi say asumasi ya de we mame na say ade na ka especially cement or to 10 or betches or to 10 na to 5 na 5 no de go ni bottom obi ti Ghana most youth here be obi azori school or courses accounting how many banks near Ghana who person who accounting and that's the only course who person who here now the course you share juma who be na nya juma
there is a graduate no be person oye juma bank
obi person oye juma or bank person me ko juma or bank we school because I have a brother or accountant owie or tifie onti onya juma is to whom you know which your bad there o de wa ya sebeji who ye be ma there and your da so ti ho so what you say which is now
what's your bad there be
who your bad o de wa ya sebeji because to whom you know no which is papa bi ni mu wa e be fa ne so bia nam kwajosu na kwabena be fa wa e so de wa ya seji
no enye failed state enye policy no bi e lack enye adwuma na eni ho ntina mama oba akoye baby sa
adwuma ni ho na ye kan right then obi so awie university there was this lady I think say Canada Japan cry bribi no can asem I don't know the lady she's in Ghana now and we university right Legon graduate or ton brodo
okay
to survive on nasa any courses ko ye no benya the person ohihye no the drew sa level no ade no no timi ton brodo na wa bi a unzu nwie Legon unzu timi ton brodo ni bi ana obi ni obi kasa nkofo de kasa wa broche ya I need help be a 500 obi will hot me kasa even mama $100 me timi da e bibi obi timi ton nsuo etimi de hwa ne mama enu miensa so if ajua betimi aye aden abna untimi nye that's the problem we are facing
nigga say who cost school what my asaya juma
who cost school betimi aye juma
system no allow sir unya so America na want na work na sir because we America situation it's a Europe situation now you can work and study But okay, Ghana living now. We just show us we can study.
Ghana living no because ye ferry ejuma bi.
Okay.
Se upa utiwe ko bi ejuma bi Ghana. Say example, manoda sumina so. Nursing home bi Ghana. Not sure how many women or men are ukasa who hire more by ejuma no. They won't do it.
All right.
Because obe ferry says sebio ebi oko yi abriwa bi diaper. It's one ye. Which
Obabro chair come on.
Obabro chair come on.
Ebi me CNA.
Obi, that's right. Obi so you graduate or you CNA krom ha. Omo person omo come and update you omo no aba na nyame boa na wabe ye more courses to get there, RN, LPN and so on and so forth. So many ejuma or courses be bro ha obi wa oba.
But
Ghana wo catch obi o wie legon. Ah no hu so you graduate say corporate way officer. Why you no cry? But oba abrochire obeye.
All right.
But there was a time no big can be say na me TSR program no. I'm not quite sure that name of that program, right? And the person was saying say even ukwa ejuma no cry entua oka, which is very bad on that side. So the facing the country now the only thing I was expecting them to say to the parliament or whoever is in charge no it's about this system no na so mo fix it, which is this thing number ya mo can as chroma as social security number no. Then if who will be a untimi mo bi nya juma nka say untua nika.
Oh, okay.
What you say untimi eza utua nika because chroma we juma even 30 minutes cry would you paycheck is there.
All right.
O shazo na ni so a ubeg ni obi be kasa e betua wo.
Mama nko break mra me ba ye beto so na ya hwe abrabo a was nipa o abrochira o bought to US and the challenges of the black woman in America. Me ko break aba.
Mate papa.
Welcome back to Meet Child Show. Lady Palmas, that's what I say. Ye dia abrochira nkomo kakra ye wo Stubborn so. Lady ye hwa de bi wo Ghana. Wakoye obai de. Asoroko as in America compared to Ghana. Send the paper finance oko asori wia ne how to watcha. And as I said, your ma and as a member in a butcher across them because me no Africa no. Thinking say how to be trapped when we go to the church no. Vis-a-vis Ghana and America situation, what to say? I was saying it perfect be sat on the train.
Yo, me dance na sorry kono kakra me kan say. Me jinya me di. Ba me nyo bia me kwa sorry sa. Me nim nie wo ye minim de ye ne de enye. Na ye wo bi so o ti se me a ono ni gidie nya ni say kwa sorry dem na yakopon beti on Bible.
Oh, okay.
Ono so believe no. And like the Bible says, say brofu bi wa say the lack of knowledge my people perish, right? You lucky so many things, especially we a man. We ma 100 thinking more maturity no yeah like be about 10
matured minds no
right 90% no it's low obi wa de ni sofo otie ni sofo asem kra dan ni kunu onenete and then ohun ni sofo a respect ni koto obekoto ni sofo no enye sa bi na ode be ma ni kunu de oni ni wo fie obi kra ni kunu kra konto kwa bie na no se no kwasia no kwaso dem akwa some sofo no che odu asori dem a wapon no kra no Jesus chia sofo anza on chia sofo ana che se wan kwaso
so sofo no control kra won so e won warrior so
o control won maso kra da no mu kunu mo ni omote I'm telling you that's the truth if so nipa da se ni be ka no kra na ya sorry no chinchine bi say ukwa sorry dem nko ana nyame tie usu frɛ tie on Bible that's not true nipa duane ya sorry dan
okay
no kreka unim pa say nipa ya mi hwɛ so hwɛ for mani am de hwɛ no kra no insult ni nyina ye bone ba ye bone a ye gin is ejoma one wakɔbɔ adwoman wakɔbɔ kro no eno na ye bone ni dia ye bebre according to Bible no omo anim Genesis to Revelation no and I make a cram metia me no it's not about say why sorry continue sorry them more chrome ha no yen time no de nye wuntimi ntan sorry them 24/7 obi so o bi o chrome ha obetimi akọ obi ani said your corner sorry fa which is Ghana no nkrofo bebre ni ba bi akọ of course sorry from Monday to Sunday.
Or maybe say as a question because o kasa kan no yes say a might me ko boss 16 hours nyina.
Right.
Nti say o your bana boss 16 hours a day. Obenya chance as a kwatena sorry dem.
Ebi mo ko bi anwumre mpai bo bibinum so ye wo am say radio phone calls mpai bo ne ade but physical way to go inside the church room no there mostly near Sundays and ebi wo wa it's a Friday night, a bimu come pie board, that kind of thing. But then you come wa and no so sir. Because while she brenna Friday night, no be crowd we juma. Most people here night a juma because they be our kids. It's a night shift. It's a hano Ghana na yet too much to do.
Like I said, juma abusu Ghana and kasa sorry any public.
Obi crowd ho be jana dia oton wo Ghana akotena so dem na de ni sifi.
Sure.
Obi beja na dia wo ye asi wo kotena asori dem.
Sure. Nti dia futu na de mama in general.
Futu a me de mama in general ne say. Unyankopon na ye som no. Ye nipa na so ye nyame na ye nyame. Ye hu se de be ye ya de afa. Uni okuno ti ho, oni oyire ti ho. Enye bu ye nyina wo se ye bu ye hu at the same time. Ya ma sofo na nya too much advantage where so to the extent say obitimiti groma no wa fafo and then no share commercials near the social media all this as of always put their number there call me omo customer especially abrochire for no wa we hear more no mo their fakra
almost especially him for abrochire
for no se bi akrata asem 0244 0545 mostly normal who's a krata it's krata no mo de bom first
so any idea we hear abrochire
I'm telling you where be akrata asem awariemu awomo every be chrome ha boy be ma me number say ni sofo bi sofo no wa chrome ha ya New York me money din and now this number ne ma me na me first of all me first of all ne me ma wo 3 awie this sofo was on the phone with me telling me some ame hi shara baba was start to go she tongues no wa wo ho ye den pa and I'm business so for me na ni make asana o se an me say eh so for ya ni make say ma wo mienza o
shenkom
obi ani wa this thing ka kraka me
sure
oh mami unana bia ni Mrs. of onim obi ba me line so mami fro back
all right nti se metie we ya na asofofo no so eka ho bi na nipa bi progress aya ka echi
asofo kan ho ba ye nipa no so wasi ensu ye yusu ya dwen yankopon ma ya dwen da yetirim
okay
ye yusu ya dwen wa wo so la akotena so dem onu sia nonum no 9 hours na akotena so dem obi timi quite sorry from anopa bi at 10 you were free as them 5 p.m. Are you really for sure? It is so funny just fasika bra minye se nti wan kasa kai hu se wo na ba asasi so no sa so for no idas when yi chen or when yi chen no wo beto so ma me no papa kan ye say ya disika komo so for bi so on anointing oil the common sense.
All right enti no omo so wa abrochira yitimi kasa o ma me ye beye ana o papa ye beye
wa mo nyina o ma dwin so se nya dro na so for no wa hu bibi e de ama no e kire nipa kwasesa na adwin de mitimi kire and whereby it's on the phone talking the obi ntimi hu bibi ngwani so ko share no na physical na bia o hu bibi gu na ni so dia mitimi blame sa ama no
okay
but say your phone so no so for ne wo kasa na o kire wo say o ma mi bi ye before we ye be o tu ma mi ye before timi ahwewa no before so betimi abakroma without your knowledge your spirit before nyina wani mu jose ji kroma na obi broni bi cham say ne ma mi ye before onu no ni mi hu before da it's no ndi o sini pisa ne ma mi ye before he told me he's a guy.
Yeah, but so the way almost view witchcraft no different from how I
different from yan there see we are born bad it's yan ya dwene tuntum
the blacks are born bad.
I'm telling you
Yanga say yanya
we yanya de daw. Can't you see?
That reminds me only yen fan komo enkosia. Sani esite bibini enkita hodie wa abrochire. So be share yonko baabu okrom mutimi din komo se bia wo ko Walmart and answer wo ko Price Right and baby shop right and na se for.
Ayo.
We share yonko bibini and answer sorry democrat. Se na ya yesidi ye ho komo na se yedin kita ho fa.
Me da say ne wasem bisa. Be before akwantuo mu enkita hodie enkoyie. De nti enkoyie ni say Dio no be ko yie ni kra no mudi nkomo no mienu mienza nan efiri ho ko no nyina ekofo bi asem na ebeba
amanfo ho nsem
said o hia ono kra bi wo wa se ono wasem especially man
sure
o hia o kra se ono wasem e wa obi a woni problem but ahwehwo ni so bi wo na o hia o mokrom ha o restore ni mu kra no hi but o krom ni timi hia se bra Obit go out to me ka high ground view. Me to me chess or tears one and me to me ba. Ya no ya ho. Adwuma mu nyina ye no ya ho. Ye two faces. We let people see outside so ye do ya ho. Ye ntisa adwuma mi so ni obi wa adwuma mu kura no wan hwe ye unyonko Ghana ni be yi wama. Eso hohwa ni wa adwuma mu nye sada. Me baby am ye adwuma. Me ni health field. Baba bi ame adwuma no se me ye bibi na mistake ba ohwo na oho no will help me fix it but Ghana ni emwa ma onye mo be kwa report to amase ye be yi wadi ye no ye ho
all right
ye no ye ho one bit no
Ghana
for the ye no ye ho akwantu I'm telling you
yeah Lady Palmas egoso kasa
ye no ye ho ye nye ni papa
meet Charles show na wani gusu a wo hwe Lady Palmas wa hase America bonten so wa kasapi me je break aba me ko break aba ebe sa to adwumadi so meet Charles show na wani gusu a wo hwe Lady Palmas that's what I know Kasapa. Now, lady, what's your last submission? Okay, changing attitude or request for. So what's a bibini a season is subain, Sabia, you bet me 2 pound. Now okay, there was a bind the go aquam maybe a ye so ba. Now okay, a ma attitude towards Namasom and I walk any abrochre a juma anyhow we be nisi huni yonko bibini wa abrochre. Then I walk at a chat to. Then was a buying ye a magana for. Then was a year Ghana for so you see oh your memo. Nephew, what didn't she be a woman, my manners or bushing at the tattoo?
You miss submission and say, I am micromo for Ghana for man. Let's let micromo for my minianum, my dofo. Me mamma nom, Mamma when in now. Because as osofo bia ni wo beboa nyakopon ama wadwen no de daw wa maunim die no de daw it's left for you say we be use adwen no akwa bi kan say bibi was here for common sense
okay
adwen na anya adwuma body ne bread mummie mo adwen mu na mo hunu say osofo a wo ti ni fie anopa awie anwumri ono niama wanwade a oye no unya bisa owo chiro kro omwa how many of you na akosofo na azise sofo me tonsui me si kaka 1 cd so me su 2 cds and so me su 1 cd asofo de be ma but who there 1 cd na won who sa de akoto collection na yeto no nyankopon hwekomam emfa unzu be kukuru sika nyina akoto asori dan mu ho na wukuma mu nti unu nua umika ufifie kwa chiro bi se tweme na me kwa asori aba ubehu ade am de be yo no akoto collection emwa mesa so asra ban say like I said earlier on me politician me ndi politics echi me ndi pani bi echi ba mesra ban se mesre ne waso oye de boa oman no onyemfa mo oman no na say me hu say prisons the way nipa bo bosso eye mobo ka me hu ya ban betimi aye bibia say minor your friends say issues like criminals no they work will be wo baby obeda they cover attendances wo asotwe bi a ye de be ma no say community labor right punishment is that the chroma omo ye ni but if Uncle Basa no be cover akoko 10 cedis mo say 3 months 6 months 1 year 2 years find that mo finding on when you be there so ni obi akoko bi koda baby look the way nipa come on human rights for no omo mom ho so mesra ban and then as so far as dan almost is in nyina if semanu bedroom penifo animu a mesra wom omo nhwe ensori ne de eye nyame na afrom no na ensori dan omo bubu no omo fa de e was omo bia adwuma ema omo e wonim de e betimi atena adwuma na no emfa nkwala omo so we have so many talented kids no mom no simtimi nya bibi dan say de bia this sorry amwamo sorry no tena wo udam fa konwa si wo mpanim awrade tena na me no nkasa obetie wo ni nyina wo hwa okumam wonim say one adwama bonye two kro no nye pesam kumenya nye all this ni nyina ka sorry but wo ye 3 nyina na wasa akotena sorry dem say collection yes fa entina so for na nkasa wo say emma bebre ayadwea da nti na almost start here abrochire for no mokrata asem ekwa na omnim so omde befa because omo fanfa mema so
mate atiefo so hwopa yem hwe na fa enchie bia wo mabusuafo na so machia mabusuafo ne menafofo a mo woga na nyina me maami akoze santoa vida me nua arita Esther Hega kodwan pedumi chia mu nyina mo hwe mo husu yie mo nso omo fa hin
omo wo Accra Taifa Burkina na Accra Buzia Road
okay
mesreze mo nyina ma no mo nkofa musika ma asofo mo nyina mo nazi na mo nyi mu kuma mu konkron fanso mo rade
okay
na mo ma asofo ne ntina ho omo baabi mesre mo a na o mine so fixing the country for no mo kasa mo fixe mo ho mo ma ye nyina fixe ye ho ansana yakasi yan fixe country ni damwasi bebre nyame nshira mu nyina
meet Charles show na wo hwe Lady Palmas akasa wi asoda ne dem Lady Palmas o ma be sabe she o Wistabon tisne say de ko
papa
da se kisa oba meet Charles show
so me da se nyame nshira mu